Now our corner marshals are ready. Good luck, guys. We're going racing in less than 5. 13.5 12 scale off and run. Stuart putting on an absolute clinic in the 12 scale classes here. He won A1 in this one, looking to take the championship title. If he can win A2 right here into the center 1-car breakaway. So we'll focus in on the battle here for second here. It looks like EJ Evans, who had a late start in A1. EJ running in second right now. So EJ will need a good A2 and a good A3 if he wants to be in the top 3. Capture a piece of the hardware from our inaugural WCIC race out here in Redwood City. LEMO carpet racing. 1 minute in and 7 minutes left to go, guys. 1 minute in and 7 minutes left to go. Pretty good form here for the 13.5, the super stock class. Take a look at the gaps here. It's going to be Mason out in front by 2.4. That's going to be Stuart Bodine out in front of Todd Mason by a half a second. Todd out in front of Kopp by 3/10. Kopp out in front of Barnes by 4/10 to round out our top 5. Then we got Tholen, Saruda, Munchie, Evans, and Thulen. So EJ's got a missed lap here. And we fixed that up. EJ is in the 2 spot. Stewart tagging the wall a little bit, second across the line, third across the line. So Brian Bodine starting to reel in EJ down the back stretch. Oh man, going wall to wall for the right one. Oh man, EJ trying to get it back in order. Bodine, our new second place driver. EJ slips it back into third, and here comes Todd Mason to join the party. So race number 22 on the track, race number 23, our A2 for 25.5. Let's get them ready to go. They're starting to tag the raffle prizes over there, guys. They're going to draw for the car kit live. Five minutes and 35 seconds left to go, guys. 5 minutes and 35 seconds left to go. Stuart Mason, Brian Bodine, and EJ Evans, our top 3 here. Followed by Todd Mason and Tim Kopp to round out the top 5. Barnes, Thulen, Lynn Bungie, Saruda, and Rob Thulen. Our race leader, hot lap, 11.8 on lap number 3. Last time by 11.9. He's working on lap number 14 right now. Light blue, charging hard out there. They know who he is. Second place driver Bodine in the orange, and then EJ Evans trying to hold on to third. Looks like EJ's got another, nope. Is it another missed lap here for EJ? So next time by, let's see if it's transfer. Yes, a missed lap for EJ. He's battling it out there with Todd. So we'll keep EJ's score correct for him. All right, so Brian Bodine in second and EJ Evans in third. Todd's in the 4 spots officially. Tim Kopp rounding out the top 5. Not even halfway there, 3:30 in, 4:30 left to go. Watching the start finish line clear. Our battle shaping up for second down off the end of the straightaway. EJ putting the pressure on Bodine now for the 2 spot. EJ was a late entry into this class. Down the back stretch, battling out for the 2 spot here. Get through the center of the course. And across the start finish line. 3 minutes and 45 seconds left to go again. 3:45 left to go. There's EJ across the start finish line, still maintaining third. Todd Mason fourth, Tim Kopp fifth, followed by Scott Barnes, Jared Thulen, Alan Lunchie, Steve Saruda, and Rob Thulen. Mason out in front by 4.1 over Bodine. So the blue car continuing to lead the way. Oh, trouble over on the right-hand side. We're clear. Uh-oh, somebody upside down at the start finish line. It was EJ, so Todd has slipped up into the third spot now. EJ Evans gonna move down all the way to the 6th position. It's gonna be Todd Mason in 3rd, Tim Kopp in 4th, Scott Barnes in 5th, EJ Evans in 6th, Jared in 7th, followed by Alan, Steve, and Rob. All right, got 2:30 left to go. Stuart Mason, 13.1. Brian Bodine, 12.7. Todd Mason, 12.8. We got a 4-way battle for 3rd here, coming across the start finish line. Todd over Tim, followed by EJ, and then Scott. So Todd, pink and blue. Trying to keep it out in front of Tim, which should be that white one. Kopp trying to make a top 3 run here. Evans rounding out the top 5. Trouble in the middle, clear. 2 minutes left to go. Stuart Mason, Brian Bodine, and Todd Mason, our top 3, followed by Tim and EJ the last time by. We're getting ready for 25.582. Our touring car A2 25.5 coming up next. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go. Good turnout for Super Stock 12 scale this week. We still got that 3-way battle for 3rd. Kopp, Mason, and Evans all right there still. Half a second for Tim Kopp over Todd, and Todd with a half a second over EJ. So the battle continues here with 1 minute left to go. It's a battle for 3rd. Oh man, they got the raffle tickets over here. They're mixing up the barrel, give it a nice little swirl there, and then they're gonna rotate it. Let that one get back in. That might be one of mine. All right, so T is going to draw, what is it for, X-ray 12 scale? What do they call it, an X12, or that's a different name? X1225, it's not last year's model. This is the new stuff. We're getting ready to draw here, and pick one from the bottom, pick a good one. Here's the number. 25 seconds left to go, guys. The last 3 digits, 6, 1, 9. 6, 1, 9, 15 seconds left to go, guys. EJ's score is correct. 5 seconds left to go. 619. 619. White flag is out when he crosses the start finish line. EJ is off the course. One more to finish up, guys. 619. Rob, you're done. That's a race. Everybody's done. Check your raffle ticket. Somebody just won a new 12 scale. The last 3 digits on the ticket, 619. Oh, Jason's running. What you got, Jason? Oh, he's in this race. He said, no, it's not the raffle ticket. I'm trying to get ready for my race right here. 25.5. A2 coming up, guys. Check those raffle tickets. Who's our big